Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Did you like my intro? It's new. I'm very excited about it. So don't make fun of me. On today's episode of I Do Whatever I Want Whenever I Want, I decided to do a chill, productive night in with me because it is snowing. It's the next day now and it's still snowing and it's making me so happy. We got like 4 inches. Anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I've done 2 chill videos in a row, blah, 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 whatever. Again, I do whatever I want whenever I want on this channel. And I'm having a great time, all right? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, please let me know. I really enjoy making them. I think it's, I don't know, I just think it's so much fun to make videos like this. Anyway, until the end of the video though, basically I have just put music. It's basically just a collage of my chill night in, so feel free to clean with me and chill with me. Yeah, just like relax, you know? Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye. I think it's snowing. Just before I stop filming, I wanted to show you guys that it just started snowing and it's supposed to snow for like the next whole day. And this has been a relaxing, productive night in with me. I know I didn't do like an intro or anything and I've literally got the TV going right now, but I just wanted to pop on and say thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I've done 2 chill videos in a row, but I just was having like a rough time making myself do anything like really productive this week. So I was like in the shower and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna film like a productive night in because my room is kind of messy and it's about to start snowing and I'm just feeling really cozy. So that's this video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff like this from me in the future, let me know and I can definitely do more stuff like this. I actually really enjoyed doing this. It's kind of killing 2 birds with 1 stone, cleaning and relaxing and filming, you know. So I just wanted to hop on here and say thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram and all my other social medias. I'll leave them in the description box for you below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. If you like this kind of video, let me know. Peace out. Bye. So just looking around, the mess obviously really isn't that bad. It's usually not that bad. This is about what it looks like every day. I even on purpose left out a few things from last night that I just figured I'm gonna film this video in the morning, so I might as well leave these things out. So